This DWVO radiator is purpose-built for second-generation Lexus IS 2.5-liter and 3.5-liter V6 models, so fitment is straightforward when you match it to the correct year range. The aluminum core uses tightly packed louvered fins that move heat away from the engine very efficiently, helping the IS run cooler in heavy traffic or spirited driving. Construction quality is impressive for an aftermarket unit with clean welds and reinforced plastic tanks that feel sturdy enough for long-term daily use. An integrated brass transmission cooler is included, which is a big plus for owners who want to protect their automatic gearbox without adding extra hardware. The radiator arrives well protected in dense foam at all four corners, so it comes out of the box straight, undamaged, and ready to install. Overall, this is a solid, no-nonsense replacement that delivers dependable cooling performance for aging IS models without forcing you into a complicated upgrade.